Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, let me go back, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system management. Then let's tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it, and here our device is again informing us what it will actually reset, so just tap on reset settings, just confirm everything and be aware because you cannot undo this action, so be aware about that, and tap on reset settings. As you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.